At this moment in the Garden of Eden, human history stands at a crossroads. The serpent has planted the seed of doubt. God's command has been questioned. And now the woman stands before the tree. A single decision is about to reshape the destiny of humanity. Genesis calls this tree the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. But what does that actually mean? Was the fruit magical? Was it poisonous? Or was the mystery something much deeper? For centuries, people have imagined the forbidden fruit as an apple. Paintings, sculptures, and stories often show Eve holding a red apple. But the Bible never says that. In fact, Book of Genesis never tells us what kind of fruit it was. The identity of the fruit remains one of the Bible's greatest mysteries. Genesis 3:6 says something important. The woman saw that the fruit was good for food, pleasing to the eye, and desirable for gaining wisdom. Notice the three elements of temptation: physical desire, visual attraction, intellectual curiosity. This pattern appears again later in the Bible. In First Epistle of John 2:16, temptation is described as the lust of the flesh, the lust of the eyes, and the pride of life. The same three forces that appeared in Eden. Genesis 3:6 continues, "She took some and ate it." Three simple words. But those words represent the moment humanity stepped outside of God's command. And the consequences would be immediate. But the story doesn't end there. Genesis reveals something surprising. Adam was with her. And he also ate. The first humans, together, made the same decision. Then something mysterious happens. Genesis says, "Then the eyes of both of them were opened." But what does that mean? Did they suddenly gain knowledge? Did they become wiser? Or did they simply lose something they once had? The first thing they notice is something strange. They realize they are naked. And for the first time in human history, they feel shame. Before this moment there was innocence. Now there is self-awareness, fear, and vulnerability. Genesis says they sew fig leaves together to cover themselves. It is humanity's first attempt to fix its own problem, to hide the consequences of its actions. But the deeper issue cannot be covered by leaves. Something far more serious has happened. The real tragedy is not the fruit. The real tragedy is separation. Humanity chose independence from God. And that decision broke the perfect harmony that once existed in Eden. But the story is not finished, because something else is about to happen. For the first time since creation, God enters the garden. And humanity will do something it has never done before: hide. Genesis says, "They heard the sound of the Lord God walking in the garden." And suddenly, the humans who once walked freely with their Creator run away. Why were they afraid? And what happens when God calls out to them? In the next episode, we uncover one of the most haunting questions in the entire Bible. A question God asks humanity. A question that still echoes today. Where are you?